Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are unboxing this BU8000 series Samsung 2022. Let's go, mister. So it will come with, okay. So ladies and gentlemen, this will be our stands for this year. And this is how the TV is gonna look like inside. So right now, at this moment, we are going to remove the TV. So we'll just remove the TV from the box. Just hold the box from down. Use your legs. Hold the box. And there we go. Okay, so what we normally do, we light the TV on the box itself. We'll just install it on the wall. So actually, normally, we'll show our customers how it's done. And so the TV, it will come like that. If you want to put the legs or the stand, you can call them the stand, depends on your English. You can put the legs. I'll just show them for the minute before we put the stand. So dear viewers, it comes with these normal legs. This is the stand, which it comes with the TV. It will be like that, as you see. So if you want to install with the normal stand, you'll just have to push this like that. No need nails, just push.
No.
Or else you can do the installation like this with the TV stand. For the legs, that's it. You just push it. So we'll do the installation on the wall. That's why we are going to remove this.
Too much long, bro.
It's too much long. Just get the other ones.
Huh?
No, because we are going to put on the wall.
Okay.
We'll remove the other one on the wall, replace with this. So the TV, as you see, it will be slim, same like last year model, and it will come with the one HDMI here. Then other two HDMIs, meaning it's coming with a total of 3 HDMIs, then plus a total of 2 USBs. And if you're going for the HDMI ARC, this will be HDMI ARC, that's in port 2. It will come with the optical, then this is where you connect your satellite. And of course, it will come with a power cable. That's why I installed the power cable. So we are installing our screws. That's how we've installed it. We are going to install it on the wall. Power cable. As I told you, if you want to put the stands, you'll just push here like this. So ladies and gentlemen, just a quick reminder, the new remote comes with the extra button, which will be the Disney Plus. Yeah, as usual, like last year, it came with a solar system, and or else you can recharge using the C-type cable. Yeah. So right now we are going to start our installation of the new TV, the BU series. This will be the button below here, or you can use the remote to switch on your TV. Set the TV to English. Hi. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we'll install it on the... So ladies and gentlemen, what we'll do, we'll install the TV using the remote type. See, I have one crazy workman here. And we'll do the next still. We'll skip the Wi-Fi. So we are not going to use any of this right now. There is HDMI which is already installed, so it will detect it automatically. Then, and here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing and we'll set our TV to the demo mode. Kindly subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you watching our videos. We really thank you all. And please subscribe, recommend our channel. We'll always unbox the latest TVs, latest technology, as you know, because we are getting it from the source itself. Sorry, we'll install the TV in demo mode. So okay, and ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new Samsung BU series. This is 55-inch. It will be the same in 43, 65, 75, the same color, the same everything, same remote, and same me who's unboxing it. 55Bu8000, and we sign out. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget that. Please subscribe to our channel. And again, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We love you so much. Mwah. Kisses. Have a good night, have a good day, and have a good morning. If any questions, you can type below, then we'll answer your questions. Thanks. And you can comment. You're free to comment also.